客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes Hakka singer邱舒 with a song called 等路, which means waiting a present for. Now, it's inspired by a pet cat she once owned, and it's about how that cat is showing their affection and craving for attention through meowing. Let's take a listen to 等路。
第一百见面，来到3分的时间，也怕安排的空间全部就按上锁。就算空旷的世界，也给秘密寒流在爱屁股。敲門聲，做夢仍然喺水當一條細絲灰，也喺三望左西起來。
听了这首歌，有没有感觉到猫咪在喵喵对你叫呢？这是新生代客语创作歌手邱舒所写的《等路》，也获得了台湾原创流行音乐大奖。里面在描述他曾经照顾过的猫啊，在等待主人的心情会发出喵叫声，或者希望借由这样子的撒娇动作来得到一个礼物，非常可爱。好，我们现在来继续收听邱舒的《等路》。
秋高氣爽，喺水幕嘅世界。 天使轉換，挖圈人嘅心，熬熬心團，思念還有愛，一年一年要淘汰去，淘汰去。你那邊講我愛本來一定路，萬年本來已經到暗嘅。
Nice. This song won the Taiwan Music Composition and Songwriting Contest, and that is邱舒 with 等路 waiting a present for. Hope you like it. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.